And welcome back. Fall is in full swing, and you can't have a real fall without pumpkin infused into everything. But did you know that pumpkins are good for your face? And have you ever thought pumpkins would be good for your skin? Aesthetician Chrissy Dress joins us now. Chrissy, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, why would I want to put pumpkin on my skin? I mean, we're putting it in lattes, we're putting it in candles. Why on my face and why on my skin?
Well, pumpkin does definitely have properties such as vitamin A, which is going to help to exfoliate the skin and turn it over. Also vitamin C, which is brightening from those brown spots that we got from the beach summer.
Yeah.
And also vitamin C, so nice and brightening.
Okay, I love that because there's a lot of products out there that have just vitamin C, but I like that this has a few other benefits. How can it help problems like dryness or redness?
So problems like dryness or redness, if you infuse different oils with pumpkin, it's going to help to give that hydration. And redness, it's definitely going to help to calm and even the tone of the skin with using a pumpkin mask.
Wow, that is so cool. And obviously the dreaded wrinkles, is pumpkin good for that?
Absolutely. So it does have a property within pumpkin that's going to help to once again exfoliate the skin, which is going to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay, so I have a pumpkin outside of my door out at home. Am I just taking that and rubbing it on my face? What's a good recipe?
Sure. So essentially, I've definitely done that before. So you can definitely cut your leftover pumpkin open and use the insides. You know, as far as your puree, for the 2 tablespoons of pumpkin that you're going to want to use, or I made it easy peasy today by using just a puree that comes in a can. So if you don't have it, you can use the puree, either way.
Yeah, because I hate cleaning out a pumpkin, so the puree makes it super simple for us. And you're going to demo your facial recipe, and you have a friend with you.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. So essentially what you want to do is the pumpkin puree, you want to use at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of, and I have that measured out here, you can see. So you just dump that into a bowl. And then next, what you're going to do is put a little bit of avocado oil. And the avocado oil is going to have vitamin E, so it's going to be nice and moisturizing.
Right.
And for this, you want to do just like a tablespoon, so not too much, but this is going to be your moisturizing factor. You can use any oils, but I like to use avocado oil.
Okay.
Next, you're going to use brown sugar, and this is, I'm making a pumpkin mask / scrub. So you're going to do 2 tablespoons of your brown sugar. The cool thing with brown sugar is that it has a glycolic property to it, so it's going to give that exfoliation and also brightening to the skin as far as brown spots or pigmentation is concerned. And it also is antibacterial. We're all fighting maskne right now.
Yes, very true.
You also want to do a pinch of turmeric. And so turmeric is anti-cancer, anti-tumoral, so it's also going to have a brightening property in it as well.
Okay.
And last but not least, you want to do a pinch of cinnamon, once again being antibacterial for the maskne.
Chrissy, it sounds like you're making a pie. I can't believe we're talking about a facial right now. That's really cool that people can get all of these products at the food store.
Yes. So all these products at the food store, and I do have a pre-made one that I can go ahead and apply to Kelsey here.
All right, go for it, Kelsey. You're going to get a nice facial here.
This is what it looks like. You want to let it set for a few minutes just to kind of condense together, and then you can just go ahead and apply it to the skin. I like to put it on the back. It smells lovely.
And Chrissy, while you're doing this, talk a little bit about your salon.
Yeah, so I own Cure de Repos in Chestnut Hill. We're 4 years old as October 1st. We do facials, we do massage, waxing, and yeah, we're definitely happy to be part of it.
You guys do it all.
Yes.
Awesome. Kelsey and Chrissy, thank you guys so much for joining us. I love that you're just, we'll end with this as you're getting your facial, and we will have this recipe online for people to find. And again, you can find all of those ingredients at the food store. Chrissy, thank you so much for joining us.
All right, thank you.
All right. Still ahead, the latest on our